Hi everybody. Today I will be discussing the value of museum and art experiences for students. Davia works to create a SL term for Andy Warhol as part of deaf art education and workshop. Um, it Davia helps art teachers adapt their curriculum for deaf students at K through 12 and college levels. The Andy Warhol Museum is trying to figure out how to develop ASL terminology for art history and techniques. There are no signs for common art terms as of right now, which is very difficult for deaf students. Deaf students need more of a platform and should be in the art world. Also, they should be able to experience art in the modern art world in person. They deserve the same art education as everyone else. Every student should have more opportunities and exposure to artists and the modern art world, other than field trips. From observing, I think students, even elementary school students, need exposure to more mediums and artists. We all know the famous ones like Van Gogh, Da Vinci, and Picasso, but they need even more exposure to modern art world artists too. The high school art teacher I was observing would look online for examples and inspiration for her students. I think they also need in-person exposure to and going to galleries and museums because that's where the true learning will begin. Experiencing art in person is just a totally different experience than looking at art online. And I could even say that I remember paintings much more clearly that I've seen in person than I have online. Next, I will be talking about art could be the next big breakthrough in deaf education. Webster's students were really struggling with vocabulary, so she decided to approach learning more visually for her students. She started every project with an artwork first. They were making storyboards of each lesson or project first before writing any words. Artist Christine Ells spent 3 months helping the children with art, which really helped out all of the students. Deaf students really need more language skills. And this I find is so interesting, and I love how art is helping this classroom with their vocabulary and language skills. Art can help in so many ways if you accommodate and tweak it to specific needs. I also think that there's such a range of skills that art can help, and we could use art in any subject or in context to help students learn, which I think public schools don't really understand yet. I'm an aide for life skills students, and I think something like this would be so great for their learning, even to study words or places. I would love to see if something like this could help them understand that. So say if they draw a picture of a dog first, or even color it in, and then write dog next to it, I wonder if they will understand the word better, because they are also they're seeing the visual, but also coloring it in. So that is my discussion post this week. Thank you, everybody.